Everybody, Ron T. Sawyer. Got the wife to go out camping with me. We're going to go out for a week in the middle of the wild. We're actually in the UP. Yep, did a lot of talking, but you know, she's going to rough it with me. So, yeah, we're going to go up in those hills, go camping. Yeah, probably. That wasn't mine. Okay, that's the wife's way of roughing it. Yep. The motorhome. Yep, that's the only way I can get her to come out with me. But we're going to be out here for a week. Do a lot of hiking, I think. The North Pacific Trail is just right up the road. So we're going to go out there, maybe do a little hiking on the trail. We also got a lake right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll have to put in this description what the lake is. But yeah, we're gonna camp here for a while. Actually, a week. Maybe I'll learn not to put my finger over the speaker too. I don't know if any of you noticed that in the last video. Sounds really quiet. That's why. But park ranger did come up and tell us that we have to be careful because on this hill here, he called it a mountain, but on this hill there's a sow and 2 cubs. So he said right behind it. So we have to be careful. So we have to watch the dogs, make sure to not leave no food out. But if you can see all this area, he said that's from the bear roughing it up, and then the trail up and down. I guess that's where the bear's been coming up and down, right at our campsite. But yeah, we'll bring you back. It might be a little longer video than what I usually post, but maybe I'll put it in two different videos. But that's why my Fatwood Friday video is not up, because today is Friday and we drove all the way up north, Brethren Lake or something like that. I don't know. Like I said, I'll put it in the comment, but I'll be coming back later. We're doing a little nature walk here. The other day, someone made me go 6 miles. Not going to mention no names. Wife's with me today. With me the other day too, making me walk like crazy. Didn't get a lot of video. Rained like crazy for the last, the whole time I've been here. But no, we're just out taking a little walk. I'll let you guys know if we find anything cool. Salmon, dead, in the water. Another one up there too. But I find some live ones. See that knot? 2, 3 of them right here, big ones. You see the salmon? Oh yeah, you can see them. There's 3 of them right here, babe. Huh? Yeah. Salmon. That's what those are. Got some salmon in here. Wish I had something to see how big they are. Young salmon up there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Waiting here because I come up through here and just zip right through there. If they can see me, they might not want to come through. Just so adventurous. Just videotaping just in case she falls in. I want one of those salmon to come up through here so you can see that. You make it? Okay, good. Two little vicious dogs. Look at it. Got pajamas on. Got pajamas on. Can you believe that? That's the wife's dog. That's Guinevere, lowrider. Hightower's back at the camp still, because he's a freak. I want to show you the two dogs. Okay, we're going to do Fatwood Friday here with my new liquid fatwood. Yep, my new liquid fatwood here. But Red, you need to try this. Okay. See if we can do it without my new Bic. Oh yeah. Look at that. There we go. Fatwood Friday. Fire a little bit too big there, huh? Flame broiled right there. That's flame broiled.
Got a good shot.
Look at them
bad
steaks.
boys.
Look at them steaks. Yep, it's our last day. Getting ready to head on out. Had a great time here at Brevoort Lake in the UP. Nice quiet little campground. Lake right there. Wanted to get a sight across the road, but we couldn't get the home into it. But yeah, no, we had a great time. Didn't get a lot of video because it rained like crazy. But didn't want to have the cover on, not be able to hear me. But yeah, we had a great time. Camp hosts right there. You see them through the woods. Real nice people from Colorado. But yeah, it was kind of weird because the people across the road, there was you know, 4 or 5 people over there. They were all from Colorado. People over there, they're from Colorado. So yeah, must be a pretty good campground. They come all the way this way. But none of them knew guns, bushcraft, or guns, knives, and beer. I asked them all, but none of them knew them. But yeah, I'm glad you guys come along with me, and I don't know, might do some videos on the way home. But everybody have a good day. I would point it at me, my hair is all messed up. Have a good day, guys.